Let me go ahead and take this choke all the way off. There was another rider. I didn't even see him because I was looking down. Ratio with the dark shit underneath it. Someone behind me, I don't be recognizing the red light up here. Alright, we made it to our destination where we're going to get our practice in today. We're going to start off with some figure eights before we do the practice session. Get the bike a little bit more warmed up and get set up in a second here. Serious about getting better at this shit. You gotta be committed to these figure eights and lean in his motorcycle. You got this big ass honk you're working with, or any other kind of big bike. Let's just do some circles. Let's see how many circles we can do. Try to keep it with it. I'm getting tired. That makes you tired. Let's go ahead and set up our maneuverability thing. That was one of the first ones I wanted to do, was actually a circle. But I think it was a 20-foot circle. Need to open up the Moto Jitsu app. I'm still letting that fingernail heal up. It's got a couple more days. It'll be all better. So Moto Jitsu, I am moving on to the brown belt level, which is 3 rotations today, 20 feet, 3 rotations, then I gotta repeat it the other direction. I'm starting to feel a lot more comfortable on the bike, guys. I'm not worried about every little tiny detail anymore. I'm just more focused on enjoying the ride, starting to get the flow. Three rotations, 20 feet. So imagine these parking spaces are 8 feet wide. So 2.5 of those. I can put down some markers. The kids are going good. So I was talking about different ways to make cones. I was going to use some Dannon yogurt cups. I guess they're Dannon. But then I saved a bunch of them. Still probably have a few of them in a flower pot or something. And then I was going to use some vitamin water bottles and just cut the top off the bottles, you know, like make like a little cone shape. And then I said, well, I'll just take the caps off the bottles and use the caps because I can just fit those in my pocket. I don't have to worry about carrying a backpack. I figured out how to fit these anywhere. So I have I think about 10 of these. You can make like a 10-foot circle. That should be 8 feet. This would be 10 feet. And we'll try to keep it within the circle. There's the gate. This makes it a little bit more interesting. I'll put the rest of these in my pocket. I may need them for the next exercise. I'm gonna practice 2 exercises today. Tomorrow's a school day. I don't want to be out here making too much noise or be out too late, because I said before, I don't want to ride after dark. So it's been 1 mile since we left my house. 1.2. Up and down the street and around the block. You know, I'm probably going to divide this video into sections for you guys to watch. Okay, let's take it nice and slow. First gear. This is some clutch and brake. I think this circle could be a little bit wider. Hold on, guys. That's not working for me. I'll have to make it a little bit wider. I don't know what I'm doing here right now. We're learning. We're gonna put it back 1 more. Let's try that. Don't look at the ground, High West. Use your head and eyes. You turn your head, use your neck, boy. Showing that rear brake. Give yourself a little more control. Real life application of these things, guys. Well, whatever this is much easier. The big difference. I'm gonna try to exit. Walk it down. Wet. Maybe forget to breathe or something. Then we can go the other direction. Which direction was I going?